This ancient fruit tree can live over 1,000 years. Meet the lychee, an evergreen giant from southern China, cherished for centuries for its jewel-like fruit and the deep shade of its sprawling canopy. The oldest known lychee tree still stands in Fujian Province, China. It's over 1,300 years old, and it still bears fruit. A single mature tree can produce 100 to 200 kilograms of fruit each year. That fruit is packed with vitamin C, around 71.5 milligrams per 100 grams of fresh flesh. Lychee flowers are a major nectar source for honeybees, and lychee honey is considered a prized delicacy. And here's something unexpected. The lychee belongs to the same botanical family as the maple tree. Plant your lychee in well-drained, slightly acidic soil with a pH between 5 and 6.5. Give it full sun, at least 6 to 8 hours a day, though young trees appreciate a little shade in their first couple of years. And space your trees 8 to 12 meters apart, so those wide canopies have room to grow. Give your tree a dry period of 6 to 8 weeks before flowering, because that stress is what triggers blooms. Prune right after harvest, so next season's flowering wood can develop. Don't plant in alkaline soil. It leads to iron chlorosis and slow decline. And don't expect quick results. From seed, you're looking at 5 to 10 years before significant fruit. A lychee tree planted today could still be feeding people 1,000 years from now. Some gifts just keep giving. Restore, protect, inspire.